Assalamu alaikum, I'm Aisha and you're watching Samaa News. Here are today's headlines. Protests erupted in Portland after US President Donald Trump ordered the deployment of 200 Oregon National Guard troops under federal authority to protect immigration facilities. The move, which was announced a day earlier, sparked a lawsuit by Oregon's Democratic leadership, accusing Trump of overstepping his powers. US President Donald Trump will attend a rare gathering of top US generals and admirals in Quantico, Virginia, tomorrow. Trump is expected to call them cherished and urge them to stay strong and compassionate. Iran has carried out the execution of Bahman Chubi-Asl, described by officials as one of Israel's top spies operating inside the country. The execution reportedly followed a Supreme Court ruling that upheld the death sentence. US President Donald Trump has said he's aiming to finalize a Gaza peace plan during his meeting with Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu today. The talks come amid intensified fighting as Israeli tanks move deeper into Gaza City, and Hamas says it has lost contact with 2 hostages. An international aid flotilla has set sail again for Gaza after pausing in Greek waters for repairs. Activists say they aim to challenge Israel's naval blockade and deliver humanitarian aid to the Palestinian territory. Organisers say Greek vessels have now joined the mission, bringing the flotilla to a total of 47 civilian boats. British Foreign Secretary Yvette Cooper has called Russia's latest strikes on Ukraine a reckless, dangerous provocation. Speaking at the Labour Party conference in Liverpool, Cooper said that while Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky and the United States continue to press for peace, Russian President Vladimir Putin is intent on escalating the war. Her remarks followed one of the heaviest barrages on Kyiv since the invasion began. German Foreign Minister Johann Wadephul says no NATO member state will be left alone in the face of what he described as Russian hybrid attacks. Speaking alongside his Polish and French counterparts in Warsaw, Wadephul warned that Moscow was trying to test the alliance's resolve and stir unrest. He stressed that NATO would protect every inch of its territory and respond with unity to any such threats. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky has proposed building a joint aerial defense shield with European partners to counter Russian threats. Addressing the Warsaw Security Forum via video link, Zelensky said Ukraine's experience in intercepting drones and missiles could strengthen regional security if combined with allied weapons and production capacity. He urged Poland and other partners to join the initiative, calling it a fully reliable shield against Russian aerial threats. The BCCI is set to take the Asia Cup 2025 trophy controversy to the ICC after the Indian team refused to accept the trophy from ACC chairperson Mohsin Naqvi. Critics say the move reflects India's growing politicisation of cricket. The BCCI secretary says the issue will be raised at an ICC meeting in Dubai this November, where India plans to lodge a strong protest over Naqvi's role. That's all for now. For more updates, visit www.samaa.tv. Thank you for watching Samaa News.